Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some Fortnite Battle Royale. Where are we going to drop today? Let us drop at Thighs Retail Row. I think I'm a little bit late to drop for retail, but that's going to be fine. So, if you didn't already log in yet, you can get this limited time Rust Bucket backpack for free. If you just go to the item shop, you can get it for free, which is really nice. I'm wearing it on my back right now. So I'm just kind of doing a warm-up game today. And I'm just trying to see how it goes. You know, hopefully I do pretty good. I think there's a chest in here. Sorry if you can't hear the game a lot. Where's the chest? It's in here. I'm getting shot at. Shoot. Okay. Where are they? They're not here. Let's go inside of the house. That's interesting. Doesn't look like anybody's been here yet. Just some ammo. So far it's going pretty good. Let's just hope it stays like this. Okay. Sorry, I'm a little bit cautious. I haven't played that much today. It's like we're doing pistols only. Actually, that would be a nice challenge. Actually, let's do pistols only. New challenge, pistols only. Let's do this. So, I gotta drop all this. There's a chest. We need something other than a revolver. Oh, yay, an actual pistol. That's where I dropped off on me. I think it's above me. What's that? A blue AR. No. 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 It's like the game's taunting me now as soon as I decide to do the pistols only challenge. It doesn't want me to get anything good. I could just die right now. I swear there's a chest. Yeah, I'll just get some resources. Where is that? Is it in the roof? I didn't see any. That's really weird. We need to look around and see if there's anybody. No, there's nobody there. I'm gonna go over there. Okay. See if there's anything in tacos. I've never seen a store that's actually literally called tacos. Learn something new every day, I guess. Okay, is there anybody here? Nope. Okay. Let's go in. I didn't know that I'd been doing a pistols only challenge. Nope. Nothing good. It'd be really nice to get some shields, actually. Another pistol. Really nice to actually get a silenced pistol. That would be pretty nice. Deagles do count as pistols, if you're wondering. What? What did I destroy there? I'm sorry, I have no idea where chests are coming from. Okay. Where's he? Oh. Sorry, I was just playing a quick game today. I guess that's gonna be all for today. Shank, you killed me. I don't thank you for killing me, of course. 3 kills, pretty nice. And I guess that'll wrap it up. He has a scar. I feel bad for myself. Well, that's gonna be all for today. See you later.